Online Teacher Training is an innovative program developed by Oxford University Press to revolutionize teacher training in India. It is primarily an online portal catering to teachers across various levels through bite-sized training modules. It is a fully interactive platform with quizzes and reviews to reinforce the knowledge gained through in-depth study of the modules. Users can generate certificates of achievement and take away handouts that highlight the main ideas discussed. It has a user-friendly and easily accessible medium to foster continuous professional development anytime, anywhere.